Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix YouTube videos not playing. So to fix that we are going to go through solutions one by one and hopefully one of them will work for you. So the first solution is first of all to check your internet connection, go to settings, after that go to cellular, and after that go directly to click on show all and look for YouTube, and be sure that you are using WLAN and cellular data. That means you are allowing YouTube to use the internet from Wi-Fi or from cellular data. So this may be like a big problem if you are using like only Wi-Fi, or like you are choosing the option of off, because when you choose off, YouTube will not have access to use internet from your device. The second thing, or the second solution, is to restart YouTube, and it's so like easy. If this app is already open, you have just to swipe up, and after that click like or swipe up again, and like that YouTube is closed, and when you open it again it will restart like YouTube. Another thing, check if there is any update for YouTube app on your phone. As you can see here, there is no updates for me. And if you are using a web browser, check if your web browser needs some updates also. The next solution is to restart all of your phone, restart your device. And after that, before closing it, try to disconnect it from internet, close it, and after that, after 2 or 3 minutes, open it and connect it again to the internet, and hopefully it work for you. If not, be sure that you are not using any VPN, ad blockers, or content filters. Like if you are using, for example, Proton VPN or any other VPN, you have to open it and be sure that it's not working, because sometimes VPNs can make your internet so slow or block the internet, so it may cause this type of problems on your phone. Also, if you are using ad blockers, because the company of YouTube are trying to stop people from using ad blockers. So if you are using an ad blocker, you have to turn it off and try again. And the last solution is to lower the quality of the video if your internet is slow. And to lower the quality of the video, you have just to open it, and after that go click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen and go click on quality, and you can choose like data saver quality, or go click on advanced and choose 480 or 720 as a quality, because they use less data and less internet from your phone. And normally by using one of these solutions, the problem will be solved. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.